Welcome to QBook, interactive read-along digital colour picture books made by Kiwa Media for young children of all ages. Utilising the latest touchscreen technologies, we're making words come alive. Kids simply run their fingers over the text to hear it read aloud.
Sebastian. S-E-B-A-S-T.
And they can even record their parents' voice or own voice into the book. We're changing how kids learn to read by enabling children to explore the words and story at their own pace. The visual animation on the screen is synchronized with the voice, so kids associate the sound with the word.
Sebastian.
QBooks teach phonics and spelling as well. Each QBook contains the story in multiple languages,
La cola de Sebastian.
so it's a valuable tool for anyone learning a second language. Check out the latest QBooks on the App Store. QBook, bringing stories to life.